Today I'm going to show you how to interact with the Bitcoin Lightning Network using 3 simple tools: OKX, Wallet of Satoshi, and Muun Wallet. If you've ever wanted to interact with the Bitcoin Lightning Network to send Bitcoin instantly with almost zero fees, then this is the video you've been looking for. Let's get into it. The Lightning Network is a layer 2 solution built on top of Bitcoin. It lets you send or receive BTC instantly, and the fees are so low they're almost invisible. Think of on-chain Bitcoin as the highway and Lightning as the motorcycle that weave through the traffic and get you to a destination faster. Let's take a look at some scenarios when you should be using on-chain Bitcoin and the scenarios when you should be using the Lightning Network. So for the Lightning Network, this one you should be using it for small amounts of transaction. You should also use it for transfers. If at all you want to transfer your BTC from, let's say, an exchange to your wallet, then it would be advisable that you use the Lightning Network. You can also use the Lightning Network for tipping. If at all you are at the bar or at your restaurant and you want to give your tip, then you should be using the Lightning. If at all you want to pay for products or services online, then the Lightning Network is your go-to solution. And if you're moving money between your wallets, then you should be definitely going to the Lightning Network. Now for on-chain Bitcoin, if at all you now want to store your Bitcoin for long-term investment, then you should be going to the on-chain, the L1 Bitcoin. If you are transferring large amounts of BTC, then you should definitely go with the safest route, which is the highway, and that's Bitcoin L1. Those guys looking for long-term holding or long-term investment of Bitcoin, this is the chain that you should be on, Bitcoin L1. For someone now looking for more security in order to have their Bitcoin securely invested, that's now sending your Bitcoin to cold storage, the L1 is the safest way to go. In the scenario that an exchange doesn't support the Lightning Network, then you'd actually go to Bitcoin L1. Most, or let me say all, the exchanges support Bitcoin layer 1, and that's the safest route to go to if at all the particular exchange you are interacting with doesn't support the Lightning Network. A quick interruption for the video. We all know that crypto is a fast-paced world and you need somewhere to get this information as fast as they happen on the blockchain. To do that, just join the GekoodHub email newsletter, and I'll be dropping this alpha into your email inbox to update you on the hot narratives and what's trending on the crypto market. The link to subscribe to the GekoodHub email newsletter is in the description below. So in order to interact with the Lightning Network, I've said that you'll need some 3 tools, that is OKX, which is the exchange. You'll need a Wallet of Satoshi and a Muun Wallet. So Wallet of Satoshi is a custodial wallet that supports the Lightning Network. Then Muun Wallet is a hybrid. It's a non-custodial wallet that's supporting the Lightning Network. So these are the 3 wallets that we are going to interact with. First, we'll need an exchange that supports the Lightning Network in order to make our purchase and also withdraw into our custodial and non-custodial wallets. Let me just go to my OKX account. In here, I already have some Bitcoin that I've purchased. They are sitting under my assets. Now you can see I have some Bitcoin worth $5 here. Now I want to withdraw this Bitcoin into my Wallet of Satoshi so that you can get a full experience on how to interact with the Lightning Network. So as you can see, I have $5 worth of BTC, that is 5,600 sats. So I want to withdraw these sats into my Wallet of Satoshi first. So let's just go and create an invoice. So just go to your Wallet of Satoshi. This one you can easily get it from Play Store or App Store. And I've realized that Wallet of Satoshi is divided into two parts. There's the custodial one and also the non-custodial, which is the self-custodial. You get your own private keys. You can change between non-custodial and a custodial one. So when you click on open self-custody wallet, then you can switch. So this one allows you to get your own private keys or your phrases so that you can actually be in full custody of your wallet. Then you can again switch between the custodial one. So here we want to receive some Satoshi here, so we just click on receive, and then we can put an amount. So we put you can go with in terms of sats or in terms of dollars. So let's put like $4 here. So that one will be 43.78 sats as with the current price of Bitcoin. So if you put 5.5, that is 49.25 sats. Then once you've put your amount that you want, then you get, now the invoice has been created for that amount of dollars. So just click to copy. So you can see copying Lightning invoice to clipboard. So once you've copied that one, you go into your OKX account, then you click on withdraw. So where are you withdrawing this Bitcoin? Are you withdrawing to exchange, unhosted wallet, or OKX user? For our case, it's unhosted wallet, which is on-chain withdrawals to unhosted wallets, e.g. the OKX wallet and MetaMask. So Wallet of Satoshi falls under unhosted wallet, so that's what we are going to be clicking. And then when we click it, you can see we have a variety of networks supported here. We have the Bitcoin, which is the L1. The withdrawal fee on the Bitcoin network is $1.8. That's almost $2. Then you have other networks here. So for our case, we want to choose the Lightning network, and you want to see how fast it is to interact with this network. So we just paste what we have copied. Okay, now it's saying we have insufficient balance for withdrawal, so there's some withdrawal fees that is going to be incurred here. So we need to create another invoice. Let's just go back to our Wallet of Satoshi. So we'll be clicking again to receive. We put an amount in terms of dollars, $4.20. Then generate invoice. We copy. Okay, let's paste that one. Okay, now it's allowing us, because we already have enough transaction fees, so we just click on next. So this one is saying arrival time is almost 20 seconds. We are going to get that amount of sats, so that is 0.00005596 BTC. Let's just confirm that one. Let me get my first key. Okay. So that amount of BTC is on the way within 20 seconds. Status is now showing that it's going through. Let me see if at all it's already reflecting in here. How fast or how slow will this one be? Because with the Bitcoin L1 you have to wait up to almost 10 minutes for the confirmation to happen on the blockchain. Let's see how fast this one can be. We are processing withdrawal is at the pending, so it's pending. We just need to wait for some few minutes or a few seconds. in progress, broadcasting your transaction to the blockchain. So you can see within some few seconds everything is now working out. Let's wait and see. It reflects here on Wallet of Satoshi. You can see status is completed. How long has this one taken? I don't know, is it 1 minute? So you can see that starts payment received. So with the Lightning Network, I've got my sats in 3 minutes. So it's saying up 3 minutes ago, payment received. Is it really 3 minutes? I don't know, but it's taken very few minutes for me to receive my Bitcoin here. If at all I were using the Bitcoin L1, I'd wait for blockchain to confirm this one. But fast transactions, if you want to do it, Lightning Network is the way to go. So this is first scenario. I've shown you how to get your Bitcoin from OKX, or you can use Binance. Binance also supports the Lightning Network, or any other exchange that supports the Lightning Network. You just buy your Bitcoin, transfer over to a wallet that also supports the Lightning Network. There are so many of them. We have Wallet of Satoshi. And now in the next part, I want to show you how to now take your Bitcoin from this Wallet of Satoshi and send it over to the Muun Wallet. So Muun Wallet is a self-custodial wallet, which simply means that you'll be in full custody of your Bitcoin. You need to store safely and keep away from prying eyes, your phrases. They'll give you some 12 words that you need to write down and keep safely. So you are in full custody of your Bitcoin, and it's on the Lightning Network. So let's just go to Muun Wallet. So here we want to receive our Bitcoin from now Wallet of Satoshi into Muun Wallet. So you just click to receive. So Muun Wallet, you can see it supports the Bitcoin L1, and then there's the Lightning Network. So we are here to interact with the Lightning Network. So we just go under the Lightning, and then let's copy that address. This one, it's not giving me to create an invoice. Let me just go with what's being provided here. So I want to send, then I paste. So once I've pasted that address, or the whatever it is invoice or address, then I put the amount. I can put 4,500 sats. Let me see if I can get 4,500 sats from Wallet of Satoshi. Okay, now there's cancel and then there's send. Let me send and see if at all it will allow me to do so. So 4,500 sats on the way, 45%. You can see it going. 70%, 80%. Let me see what's happening on the other side. Okay, now I'm here and I have some sats into my Bitcoin wallet on my Muun Wallet. So fast, guys, it's so fast. This thing is so fast. This is the best way to interact with the Bitcoin network. So someone telling you Bitcoin is slow, whatever they're trying to say, they're lying to you. This is the best way to interact with the Bitcoin network. For small transfers, you can see it's instant. So you've just seen by your own eyes, or with your own eyes, this thing is so instant. I didn't wait for any second. I believe sending it from exchange to a wallet takes way longer, because maybe the exchanges need to confirm everything is okay. But within Wallet of Satoshi and Muun Wallet, seconds, guys. So let not anyone cheat you that Bitcoin is way slow or very expensive to interact with. You've seen me sending $4 here, and the transaction fees are very negligible. This thing is super fast. So I don't know who's lying to you, and why should they be lying to you. So I have sent 8 cents here. I had okay, I'm not able to see the withdrawal charges, but for this one the withdrawal charges were very negligible. I believe so, they are very negligible, because I withdrew $4 and some cents. I withdrew $4.20 from OKX, and now I have $4.11 into my Muun Wallet and already have 8 cents into my Wallet of Satoshi. So for me, I'm still learning blockchain and I'm so excited about Bitcoin and everything, because blockchain or Bitcoin is the way to go. This is the new financial standard, and we want to learn as much as we can from this thing so that we can now start interacting with the Bitcoin and blockchain at large without relying on the banks. If at all you are going to pay for something online or anything that you bought, and now you want to pay, you'll need to get some sats into your Wallet of Satoshi, and then you need to send. So you'll just click here on send, and then if at all a QR code is being provided for you, then you'll actually use this one, the scanner, to scan that particular QR code and then get your sats being sent over to the particular POS that you are interacting with. So this is how you actually make your payments online or offline if at all you are at a point of sale.